Have you ever wondered about the intricacies of the coal industry in India? It's a vast and dynamic sector, playing an integral role in the country's energy generation. The story of coal in India dates back to the late 18th century during the British colonial rule, and it has since evolved into a major industrial powerhouse. Today, the industry is dominated by both public and private sector companies, with Coal India Limited standing out as the largest state-owned coal mining corporation. These companies shoulder a variety of responsibilities, from exploration and extraction to transportation and processing of coal. This black gold serves myriad purposes, such as powering our homes and industries and even fueling our hearths. But it's not just about energy. The coal industry also contributes to the Indian economy by generating employment opportunities, particularly in mining regions. It's a complex network of companies, workers, and resources, all working together to power a nation of more than 1 billion people. With such a vast and complex industry, it's no wonder investors are intrigued. Investing in the coal industry can be a rewarding venture, but like any investment, it comes with its share of risks and rewards. Let's delve into the pros first. One of the biggest advantages of investing in the coal industry is the steady demand. India, being a developing nation with a population exceeding 1 billion, has a constant need for energy. Coal, being a major source of this energy, ensures a consistent market. This steady demand translates into a level of stability for investors. Next, we look at the profit potential. The growing energy needs of the country mean that coal, despite increasing global pressure for cleaner energy, will continue to be a significant player in India's energy mix. This positions the coal industry as a potentially profitable venture. Then we have job creation. The coal industry is a significant employer, particularly in mining regions. Investments in this sector support job creation, contributing to local economies and promoting social stability. However, it's not all rosy. Let's consider the cons. Firstly, the environmental impact. Coal mining and combustion contribute significantly to air and water pollution. Also, they are responsible for a sizable chunk of greenhouse gas emissions, which are the major culprits behind global warming. Health concerns are another downside. The coal industry has been associated with numerous health issues for workers and nearby communities, ranging from respiratory problems to more serious conditions like cancer. Finally, there are sustainability challenges. India's heavy reliance on coal raises concerns about its commitment to reducing carbon emissions and transitioning to cleaner energy sources. This could lead to regulatory changes that may impact the profitability of coal investments. Understanding these pros and cons can help investors make informed decisions about their investments in the Indian coal industry. The future of the coal industry in India is at a crossroads. Environmental concerns are mounting, with coal mining and combustion contributing significantly to air and water pollution. It's also a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, an issue that's impossible to ignore in our warming world. The health of workers and those living in close proximity to coal mines is another area of concern, as exposure to coal dust and other pollutants can lead to a host of health problems. There's also a significant shift happening. India, like many countries, is moving towards cleaner, greener energy sources. Solar and wind power are on the rise, and investments in these sectors are growing. This shift isn't just about environmental responsibility, it's also about economic viability. As the cost of renewable energy continues to fall, the financial argument for coal becomes harder to justify. Lastly, the regulatory landscape is evolving. As India seeks to balance its energy needs with its environmental commitments, the coal industry could face more stringent regulations, which could impact profitability. Investors must consider these factors when thinking about the long-term sustainability of their investments in the coal industry.